Prepare all necessary tools and replacement parts for the repair. Detach the leg closest to the hanging hook. Remove the top screw from the leg, followed by the 2 screws underneath. Unscrew the fastener, securing the center of the cable reel. Disconnect the video connection cable. Remove the entire yellow cable rack. Disconnect the aviation connector cable. Peel off the black tape from the connecting cable. Remove the white spacer. Detach the snap fastener. Remove the 4 small screws and take out the meter box. Install the upper and lower covers onto the meter box. Secure the 4 screws and tighten them. Attach the latch. Insert the white spacer. Reinstall the cable rack, ensuring the latch aligns with the inside of the disc. Add the spacer. Then tighten the screw on the reel. Reattach the leg. Then tighten the 3 fixing screws one by one. Connect the aviation video cable. Wrap the connecting cable with black electrical tape. Connect the video cable.